Alright guys, I am back, and this time I got a set of speakers from my buddy at work who bought them, and upon receiving them discovered that they make some kind of buzzing sound. So we're going to see if we can fix that, because these are kind of a nice set of speakers, and I'd hate for them to just sit and go to waste. So see if we can test these out. I haven't actually plugged these in yet, so we'll see what they sound like. You might notice my little buddy here, my pet conure. He should be alright to stay here though. Hopefully. So now I don't know if you guys watching the video will actually be able to tell if either one of these is buzzing or not, but that's the description he gave me. So let's see what we can diagnose here. Put this guy back here. No, he doesn't want to go back there. Not anymore. I've been there before. Just see if you can stay there for a bit. Yes, that's very nice of you. Okay, we got power. We have a source of music, audio. So let's see. Let's see about this. So I'm going to turn the bass all the way down. See what I can find coming from the speakers. He said it was from one of the speakers. So, oh yes. That is definitely this speaker, the one with the control knobs. We'll turn that off again. We're done with all the rest of these pieces. We don't need to worry about these. Alright, so we have one speaker that's buzzing. And I have absolutely no idea how Logitech put these together. So, well, I guess I'm just gonna have to try and take it apart. And I might have to pry it open or even break it open, but let's see if there's any screws beneath this plastic here, or this rubber. These. Let's peel it up. Sometimes they like to hide screws and stuff underneath the plastic foot. That is not the case here. They have not hidden anything. Alright. I'm going to make this hard. It looks like it's either clipped together or maybe glued together. Alright. Phil, if I break these, I know you already got a set of replacements, so this is going to come apart a little easier than I thought it would. There we go. I'm using a non-marring tool so that I don't damage anything. Ooh, there we go. And they were presented with a bunch of screw holes to take this all apart. So let's get out our screwdriver. See if this fits. Yeah, it'll work. Okay. So that was all 6 of those. Now let's see if we can get this to come out. Could be quite a challenge. I'm noticing that we have our jacks on the side here that look like they might have to come out. This might have to flex outward in order for these jacks to pass by it. But we'll see how this progresses as I pry at it. This isn't going to be visible, so I'll use something a little bit more strong at the expense of possibly damaging it visually. Here we go. They're coming apart now. So yes, it looks like these jacks might have to... Oh, I can tilt it sideways. Well, we can start to see internals. Oh, alright. Let's pry this side away here, see if we can free those jacks up a bit. Yeah, there's one, there's two. And there we have it. Well, we're stuck on something now. What are we stuck on? Well, the last screw that never came out. We have the last two screws. Alright, so here we have it. We have some internals, probably part of the amplifier, or maybe it's just the control board. And let's see if we can find out what's buzzing in here. I wonder if it's just a piece of plastic or something that got stuck in here or something. It doesn't actually look like the assembly quality is the finest. Well, at least they put a sound gasket here. Or some sort of gasket. I don't know if that's for weather protection. I don't know why it would be. The computer speakers are never going to be outside. Okay, let's make ourselves some room. Move these wires a bit. I'm going to take this front speaker out because that's the one, I believe that's the one that was buzzing. By taking it out, we might be able to take a look at whatever's in there. It's amazing, really. I had an old pair of speakers from Boston Acoustics at one point, and the quality of those things was second to none. And it used to be that Logitech was the same way, but the internal build quality of these is kind of leaving something to be desired. Okay. I don't know if this is just extra glue that's hanging out here. I think it's extra glue. Alright, and there's another drop of it here. He mentioned that he thinks he saw some fabric sticking out of here. And there's a little clump of dust or something in here, but I don't think that would cause a buzzing sound. Who knows, I guess. take a look at this grill. There is fabric in behind the grill here. A little piece of fuzz. I don't believe that's for me. Okay. Found some more of that glue stuck around the edge here. Anything that prevents the speaker from sitting flush could allow it to introduce vibrations. I can't just pop this free, I don't think. Okay. Let's see. Come here. There you go. Just trying to get this seal back in here. Just trying to tuck it away. Out of the way. There we go. Okay. I am going to play some music through this while it's hooked up. I don't know, maybe I'm not going to do that. I might reassemble it first a little bit, just to see if I can maybe just tighten things up a bit. Route these cables properly. Pop it back into place. Okay, let's get the rest of that speaker set up back. Just the sub, actually. That's where the power is at. Can't imagine the disappointment of buying a brand new set of speakers and having them buzz like this. Okay, power on. Let's see what we've got. I think I fixed it, guys. I'm gonna put this back together with all the screws and everything, but I think it was, in the end, the combination of things, but it was, I changed a combination of things, but it was probably only one of them that actually was the issue, as these things go. I got rid of the glue that was around the edges of the speaker that was preventing it from sitting flush. I got rid of the fuzz behind the grill. I don't think that was causing the issue. I got rid of, or sorry, I moved a loose wire that looked like it could have been rubbing up against the enclosure of this, or the what do you call it, the frame of the speaker. The positive lead on the speaker was kind of just hanging out next to the frame of the speaker, so that could have been causing it with the right amount of vibration. And we'll test one more time after I get this back together. And we'll call this one done. Let's see if that buzz is there or not. Yeah, that's good. I'll get the other speaker over here. Just double check. But I think from this point forward, we've fixed this. Yeah, we're good. No more vibration sound. If you like this video of me fixing this set of speakers, stopping that buzz from happening, hit like. If you didn't like it, you thought I could do better, hit dislike. If you want to be kept in the loop and see my next videos about me replacing the gears and the faceplate of my stereo, go ahead and click subscribe. And I've got a couple other videos lined up after that also, so good stuff coming your way. Also, recently I did open up a Patreon account if anybody was interested in supporting my channel, and that is patreon.com/LegoGuy, LEGOGUI, and yeah, give me a little bit of support if you feel strongly about it, and I'll put it to good use. I'm looking to possibly get myself a new microphone to improve the sound in both indoor and outdoor conditions. So that might be awesome if you guys support me in that. So take care. Have a good day, guys.